Today is October 19 and Denise is starting to be a little artist. Huh? Let me see what you're doing.
Writing.
You're writing? Let me see. How? Wow, that's pretty. Good job, Denise. Let me see your smile. Let me see your smile. Oh, wow, that's so pretty.
Monkey.
Yeah, you're drawing. Are you coloring?
Mommy.
Yes. Hi, Denise. Let me see your picture. See it? Wow, what is that? What is it? Huh? Good job, Denise. That is so good.
Black.
Black, yeah, that's black. Good job.
Doggy.
Draw a doggy, okay. What color is that one?
Doggy. See it.
It's nothing. See? It's a video.
This.
See? There's Denise. Let me see your teeth. Okay, right thing, go. Keep going. It's pretty. Wow. Oh, other side? Okay. Other side. Fix it. There you go. Good job. That is so pretty.
Yummy.
Let me see it. Here, where's the red?
Good.
Where? Where's the red?
Yeah.
Where?
Yeah.
Okay, here it is. There. Go.
Black.
Orange, blue, green. Good job. What? Where's the blue?
Yeah.
Which one? Wow, are you done?
No.
Okay, keep going.
Yummy.
Good job, that's pretty. That's the small one?
So much. Bobby.
Draw. Write your name. Ooh, pretty. Good job.
Great.
That is so pretty. Are you having fun?
Fun.
Let me see your face. Where's Denise? There she is. Are you done?
No.
Okay, keep going.
So.
Wow, what are you drawing? What is that?
Black. Yo.
Draw. Write your name.
Yo.
Draw.
Yo.
Wow.
Yo.
Good job. Look at that. Masterpiece.
See it. Me.
See it? There. Wow, that's a masterpiece. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Good job. Who drew that? Whose is that? Whose? Denise's. Good job. Crayons. What color?
Mommy. Mommy.
What color is that?
Mommy. 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 Mommy.
Are you done?
No.
Okay, come back here then. Finish it. No, don't draw on Mommy's. Denise's. Come back here. Come back here. Wowee. Oh yeah, you're right. Good job. That is pretty. Wow.
See it.
See it? Okay, see it? Look at that. Wow. I like it. You like it? I like it.
Dry. String.
Are you done?
No.
Okay.
Dry.
Drawing, yep.
Oh.
Are you picking up your crayons?
Job.
Good job. One more. Good job. Other side.
Right.
Wow. Wow. Good job. That's pretty. I like it. Do you like it?
See it.
See it. Okay, see it again. There, see it? Wow. Nice.
Writing.
Good job. What are you doing?
Writing.
Huh? Huh?
Writing.
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 Denise writing. You're coloring. You're making a masterpiece. A masterpiece.
Writing.
Piece of art. Say art.
Oh.
What are you doing?
Oh.
Art. Over here. Hi. Are you done? Okay, come over here. You're done.
Mommy.
What?
Crayon.
Oh, I see your belly button. Oopsies. Crayon, get your crayon.
White food.
Okay, you're done. Let's see your masterpiece. Wow, masterpiece. Where's the other side?
White.
Wow, good job. You're not done?
No.
Oh, I thought you're done. Okay, done. Kiss the camera. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Kiss the camera. Okay, bye. Bye. Kiss the camera. What? Doctor. Oh, yeah, you wore that when you went to the doctor. You're right. Bracelet doctor. What did the doctor do? Huh? Denise, what did the doctor do?
No.
No. He give you medicine?
Lay down.
Lay down and drink medicine? Where did the medicine go? In your mouth. Did it taste good?
No.
You don't like it? Yucky. Kiss. Love you.
No.
Love you.
No.
Okay, bye-bye.